Demonstrate how to use a digital experiment that mimics a physical experiment. And this is a static calorimeter. So it's an adiabatic container, has water inside, and we can change the starting temperature of the water. And what we're going to do is drop a metal block into the water. We can change the starting temperature of the block. We can also change the mass of the block. And we're going to use this thermometer to measure the final temperature. We can also, of course, adjust the starting temperature of the water. And from then an energy balance, we can determine the heat capacity of the block that we dropped in. Platinum sample is to calibrate the system to account for that, the walls of the container would have some heat capacity. And we're given the heat capacity of platinum, so we can then account for that in our measurements for our unknown samples. And we have a stirrer that mixes the water up so that it gets to a uniform temperature. And so let's look at this simulation to understand how it works. So here's the simulation. We have a worksheet that gives details of what experimental measurements to make and what questions to answer to better understand the process. And then we can fix the starting temperature. Let's make a high temperature for the block, and let's make a large mass. We'll get the bigger temperature change. And let's pick sample B. These are unknowns. We're going to start to stir, and then we're going to drop the metal, and then we have insulating cover, and then we see the temperature that is equilibrated at 4.8, and we can use that to calculate the heat capacity.